Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into Metal Gear Solid Hideo Kojima's Magnum Opus. So let's have a look into this right now. Okay. This is Metal Gear Solid Hideo Kojima's Magnum Opus. We go from the back. In fact, let's just open the plastic covering. Okay, so this is the front. The spine. And the back. Okay. Just try and get a better view of the pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick through some of the pages in this book at a moderate pace. If anyone does not want to get spoiled in this book, please do whatever you can and just stop the video and not continue with this any further. If you want to see what's inside this book, please continue to watch this video. So I'll go from here and I'll start from the very beginning. So let's go. Metal Gear Solid. Mainly a lot of written content about the book. Just check through. So yeah, it's interesting how they got the first chapter as Konami. It's very interesting to read through this book. But there you have it. This is Metal Gear Solid Hideo Kojima's Magnum Opus. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the future. Bye.